Russian fighter takes out U.S. drone. Is war imminent? There are reports of a Russian plane taking out a U.S. drone in the sky. Is this an act of aggression by Russia, and is war imminent? The Russian fighter jet struck the propeller of a U.S. surveillance drone over the Black Sea today, and this is a blatant violation of international law. This caused American forces to bring down the unmanned aerial vehicle. According to the U.S., not since the Cold War has an incident like this occurred. Discussions between Russia and the U.S. and President Joe Biden are going to take place shortly. There are a lot of implications from this incident. Let's go over them. Russia and Ukraine war. The war between Russia and Ukraine has really been ongoing since 2014, well before Russia invaded Ukraine when Russia annexed Crimea from Ukraine. Since then, Russia has supported separatist rebels in eastern Ukraine, leading to a protracted conflict that has claimed the lives of thousands of people. The recent incident involving a Russian plane and a U.S. drone could further escalate tensions between Russia and the West. Will the U.S. retaliate? It remains unclear whether the U.S. will retaliate against Russia for the destruction of the drone. The U.S. has not yet released an official statement on the incident, but it is likely that the U.S. will take some form of action to show that it does not tolerate such aggression. This could range from economic sanctions to military action, although the latter is less likely given the potential for a wider conflict. Explanation of why the drone was destroyed. So, why did Russia destroy the U.S. drone? There are several possible explanations. First, Russia may have seen the drone as a threat to its military operations in the region. Drones can provide valuable intelligence to the U.S. military, and Russia may have wanted to prevent the U.S. from gaining an advantage in the conflict. Another possible explanation is that Russia may have been trying to send a message to the U.S. and its allies. Russia has been increasingly assertive in recent years, and it may have wanted to demonstrate its military capabilities to the West. Conclusion: regardless of the reason for the incident, the collision between the Russian plane and the U.S. drone is a worrying development in an already tense region. The conflict between Russia and Ukraine shows no signs of ending anytime soon, and incidents like this could further destabilize the situation. It is important that all parties involved exercise restraint and work towards a peaceful resolution to the conflict. What do you think actually happened here? Is this going to escalate to war?